So with this, we have created a new service account. So let's quickly go through everything that we have done. We understood what is meant by a database and how exactly is data stored. Then we went to Cloud Firestore and we created a new database with our very first product. So let's add one more product here. So now we have a mouse, and inside mouse we have price, and now price is a number. So over here inside price, now we have a value which says let's have a decent price of 200. So now let's click save. So now we have a new product called mouse. Okay, so with this, in our e-commerce store we have two different products, which are a keyboard and a mouse. So with this, we have created a new service account. So service account is just like your own login credentials, like a username and password, which you use to access a particular service. So over here you are using that to access Cloud Firebase. Okay, so with this, let's go back to our Cloud Shell, and over here inside this same folder, now we want to upload the key which we have generated. So over here, let's right click, and now let's click on upload files. And now from downloads, let's upload the key. And with this, we have uploaded a key which says My Portfolio VP, which is the name of your project. Now let's rename it. So over here we have rename, and let's give this a simple name of my key.json. Okay, so now let's double click this and let's look at how exactly is this particular key. So over here, this is a JSON file, which essentially is a key. So over here we have type, which says service account. Then we have project ID, project key, and then a private key. Then we have an email ID and a lot of different tokens. So essentially this is like a login credential. Okay, so now with this, we want to use this particular key to access Cloud Firebase. Okay, so to do that, we need to import some libraries in Python. So the first library which we are using is called Firebase admin. So over here we have import Firebase_admin. Okay, so over here let's go back to the command line, and essentially let's run this particular file. So before that, we want to install this particular module called Firebase admin. So now, in order to install any new module in Python, we use the pip command. So it is a Python package manager. So we have pip3, which will install a particular library for Python 3. Then we have pip3 install, and then we have Firebase_admin. Okay, so with this, this will install Firebase admin, but now we have an error which says could not install packages due to an environment error. So essentially this means that in order to install these packages, we need to type in sudo. Okay, so sudo stands for super user do. So essentially this is like giving administrator privileges to do whatever you want. So without typing sudo, this command is not allowed to perform certain processes. But after passing in sudo before this command, now this error will not come up. So essentially we have installed Firebase admin. And now after installing Firebase admin, now we want to initialize this particular application by using this Firebase admin key. Okay, so first of all, let's create a new variable called credentials, or cred. So cred is equal to, now we want to use a different module from Firebase admin called credentials. Okay, so over here, now again we have from Firebase admin import credentials. Okay, so with this we are importing a module called credentials from Firebase admin. So now cred is equal to credentials, dot certificate, and now inside credentials dot certificate we just pass in the name of our key. So over here we have my key dot JSON, and essentially it is very important to protect this key file, because if anyone uses this particular key file, then they can have access to your particular Cloud Firestore. And essentially, if you have created a very big e-commerce platform, then you don't want anyone to come on your website and simply start modifying the products that you have. So over here, we have created a variable called credentials or cred. And now we want to initialize the Firebase app using credentials. So over here, now let's import one more module from Firebase admin. So now we have from Firebase admin import Firestore. So now Firestore is the database component of Firebase admin. So essentially over here, if you look at Cloud Firestore, then you have a lot of different products over here. So like something like Cloud Firebase authentication or Firebase storage, Firebase hosting, Cloud Functions, ML Kit. So each one of these products can perform a whole lot of different tasks, but for now we are interested in database, which is called as Cloud Firestore. Okay, so with that, let's go back to our Cloud Shell, and over here we have import Firestore, and now we want to initialize this particular application. Okay, so with this we have Firebase admin dot initialize underscore app, and then after initialize app we pass in the credentials to this particular command. So over here we have cred. So with this we have initialized the app, and now let's create a new database instance, or let's create a new database object. So over here we have db is equal to firestore dot client. Okay, so with this we have created a new database. Okay, so with this let's comment these things for now, and now let's simply print the value of db. Okay, so with this we can print the database that we have. So now let's run this command by pressing the up arrow and then going to the command which says python3 demo.py. Let's press enter. So essentially over here we have a Firestore client object, and then we have welcome to my e-commerce platform. Okay, so now with this we want to get the products which are present inside this particular collection.